Hello guys! Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Today we will read a very romantic letter. Well, let's get started. My dear love, from the moment I met you, I knew that you were the one for me. Your beauty, your kindness, and your gentle soul captured my heart and have kept it captive ever since. Every moment spent with you is like a dream come true, and I am grateful to have you by my side. Your touch, your love, and your sweet words fill me with joy and happiness, and I am blessed to call you mine. I cannot imagine my life without you, my love. You bring meaning and purpose to everything I do, and I am constantly inspired by your strength, your courage, and your determination. You are my rock, my support, and my guiding light, and I am forever grateful for your unwavering love and devotion. I promise to always be by your side through the good times and the bad, through the highs and the lows. I promise to always support you, to always encourage you, and to always be there for you. I promise to love you with all of my heart, now and always. You are my everything, and I will always love you. As the sun sets on this beautiful day, I can't help but think about you. Your sparkling eyes and bright smile have captured my heart, and I am lost in your love. I cherish every moment we spend together, and can't wait to see what the future holds for us. Your touch fills me with warmth, and your kisses leave me wanting more. I am grateful for your love and the way you make me feel. You are my everything, and I can't imagine life without you. I promise to always be by your side, to support and encourage you, and to love you with all of my heart. Together we can conquer the world and make all of our dreams come true. You are my one and only, my soulmate and my everything. I love you now and always. Your presence in my life has brought so much joy and happiness. Every day with you is a blessing, and I am grateful for every moment we share together. Your love has changed me for the better, and I am a better person because of it. I'm so thankful for your love and for the way you make me feel. You bring out the best in me, and I am grateful for everything you do for me. You are my rock and my support, my strength and my inspiration. I love you more and more each day, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. You are my everything, and I'm so lucky to have you in my life. Thank you for being mine and for loving me unconditionally. I love you now and always, my sweetheart. You are my everything, and I'm so grateful to have you by my side. Being with you feels like a dream come true, and I'm so grateful for every moment we spend together. Your love fills my heart and soul, and I'm so lucky to have you in my life. You are my everything, and I don't know what I would do without you. I promise to always be there for you, to support and encourage you, and to love you with all of my heart. Together we can overcome any obstacle and achieve anything we set our minds to. You are my soulmate and my one true love. I'm so thankful for your love, and for the way you make me feel. I love you now and always, my darling. Thank you for being mine. Love is the most essential thing in a person's life. It gives us a sense of direction, belonging, and happiness. Without love, life would be barren and meaningless. Love can take on many different forms. It can be the bond between a parent and child, the friendship between friends, or the romance between partners. Each form of love is unique and special, but they all share one common trait. They bring joy and fulfillment to our lives. When we love someone, we want to make them happy, and we will do anything to protect and care for them. We also feel happier and more fulfilled when we are loved in return. This is why love is so crucial. It makes us better people and helps us live a more meaningful life. In addition, love can also change us in a positive way. It can help us become more compassionate, kind, and understanding. Love can also be a motivation for us to become a better version of ourselves. It can help us to overcome our fears, insecurities, and flaws. Love gives us the strength to face any challenges that come our way. Love is also a source of inspiration for many artists and writers. They express their emotions and feelings about love in their creations. From poems, songs, novels, to paintings, love is always the central theme. This is because it is the most powerful emotion that humans can experience. In conclusion, love is the most important thing in a person's life. It brings happiness, fulfillment, and purpose to our lives. Without it, life would be unbearable. So, it is important to surround ourselves with people we love and to always show them how much they mean to us. We should also remember to love ourselves and to be open to new experiences of love. Additionally, it is important to understand that love is not always easy. It requires effort, patience, and compromise. Relationships, whether they are romantic or platonic, take work to maintain. However, the rewards of love are worth the effort. When we have strong relationships with the people we love, we feel supported, understood, and valued. Love is also not limited to just human relationships. We can also experience love for nature, for animals, for hobbies, and for our life goals. These forms of love also bring joy, peace, and sense of achievement in our life. Another important aspect of love is acceptance. It is important to love and accept ourselves for who we are, and to also accept others for who they are. By accepting others, we open ourselves up to deeper and more meaningful relationships. This applies not only to romantic relationships, but also to friendships and family relationships. In the end, love is what makes life worth living. It gives us a reason to wake up each day and to strive to be our best selves. Whether it's the love between a parent and child, the love between friends, or the love between romantic partners, love is what connects us all as human beings. So, let us cherish and nurture the love in our lives, and always strive to be better at loving and being loved in return. Furthermore, love is not only something we receive, but also something we give. As we express our love towards others, we spread positivity and kindness in the world. This can have a ripple effect, as the people we show love to, in turn, show love to others. By being generous with our love, we can create a more loving and compassionate society. It's also important to note that love is not just a feeling, it is a choice. Love is not just a feeling of attraction or infatuation. It is also a decision to care for and be committed to another person. We can choose to love even when we don't feel like it, or when it's difficult. Also, it's not important to recognize that everyone has their own journey with love. Some people may find love early in life, while others may find it later or not at all. And that's okay. The most important thing is to not put pressure on ourselves and to enjoy the journey of life, regardless of whether or not we are in a romantic relationship. In short, love is the most important thing in our lives. It gives us a reason to live and to be the best version of ourselves. It is essential for our well-being and happiness. Love takes many forms, and it is not just a feeling, but also a choice, a commitment, and a journey that we can all make. By cherishing and nurturing love, we can create a more loving and compassionate society. Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye.